In this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect your hosting a domain to Vercel. The first thing you need to do is open your Vercel dashboard. From here, choose the project that you want to connect your hosting a domain to. Next, click on the three dots next to your project name and then click on Settings. Inside the Settings menu, scroll down and find the section called Domains. Click on it. Here, you'll see your default Vercel domain that's automatically created for every project. But if you want to use your own custom domain, click on the Add Domain button. You'll also see an option to buy a new domain directly from Vercel, but in this video, I'll show you how to connect a domain you already have from Hostinger. So click on Add Domain, and now open a new tab and go to your Hostinger account. Once you're on your Hostinger dashboard, hover over the Domain section and click on the Manage button next to the domain you want to connect. From here, copy your domain name and go back to Vercel. Paste your domain into the input field. Next, you can choose which environment to connect it to. For most cases, keep it on production. You can also choose to redirect it to another domain if needed, but we'll leave that off for now, and click Save. As you can see, your domain has been added. Vercel will show you both versions, one with www and one without it. Right now, you'll probably see a message that says Invalid Configuration. Don't worry, that just means you need to update your DNS records in Hostinger, which we'll do next. So now we're going to copy our DNS records from Vercel. You'll see two records that need to be added. The first one is an A record and the second one is a CNAME record. Let's start with the first one. For the A record, note down the type, the name, and the value. Copy this value, then go to your Hostinger dashboard and click on DNS name servers. From here, you need to add a new record. Choose the type as A, paste the name exactly as shown, and then paste the value where it says points to. Before adding it, make sure to delete any old A record that might conflict with this one. I already have an older record here, so I'll remove it first. Then click Add Record and it will be added successfully. Now, go back to Vercel and refresh your page. You should see check marks, which means your domain is properly configured. However, if you see a message that says you don't have a production deployment, that just means your domain is connected but your site hasn't been deployed yet. Next, we need to add the second record. This one is a CNAME record. The name should be www, and the target will be the value shown on Vercel. Copy that, go back to Hostinger, choose CNAME, enter www, and paste the target value. Then click Add Record. Once added, go back to Vercel and refresh again. As you can see, both records are now verified and everything is connected properly. And that's it. That's how you can connect your hosting a domain to Vercel. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing for more website and hosting tutorials.